Hey y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, and I'm back with another video for you. I know this video is going up a little bit late, but it's still Tuesday somewhere. And welcome to Black History Month and the month of Valentine's Day. And I started a tradition last year that I want to continue, and that's to start each video off with a quote from an African American. So today's quote is going to be coming from the first African American female astronaut. That's Mae Jemison, and the quote says, "Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations." So I'm going to show you guys a quick Valentine's dessert. And just like last year, you know, no bae, no boo required to enjoy this. This is going to be a red velvet cake, microwave mug style. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to connect with me in the comment section and let me know what kind of videos you want to see going forward. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take a mug that's microwave safe and go ahead and grease it. I've just got some butter that I'm putting in here to make sure my cake comes out smooth and easy. Adding my dry ingredients, I've got about 4 tablespoons of some self-rising flour going into my mug. I'm going to follow that up with 2 tablespoons of some granulated white sugar, followed by just a pinch of some salt, and then a tablespoon of some cocoa powder. I used the Swiss Miss packet because I didn't have the cocoa powder that I thought I had in my pantry. Anyway, whisk together all of your dry ingredients, and then you're going to add your wet ingredients. I've got 3 tablespoons of some vegetable oil going in my mug. For some added moisture, I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of some sour cream. So sour cream can be substituted for buttermilk or for yogurt, whatever you have on hand. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of some vanilla extract and 1 egg. Whisk all of that together until you have a nice, smooth, even consistency. Well, it wouldn't quite be a red velvet cake without some red food coloring, so I've got some red food gel that I'm adding, and there's no real measurement for this. You just want to make it to your desired redness, so add food coloring to your heart's content. Alright, this is going in my microwave. I did like 30-second to 50-minute increments, 50 seconds, and it's okay and natural for your cake to kind of spill out of your mug. But while your cake is cooling, we're going to go ahead and make a simple icing. So I've got some powdered sugar and a little bit of some almond milk that I had in the fridge and some vanilla that I just mixed together. And then I continued to add powdered sugar until the icing was at my desired consistency. And then I just went ahead and decorated with the icing and some sprinkles. And it's just that simple to make a red velvet cake in your microwave for Valentine's Day. Enjoy!